In this lesson, we'll be creating a tooltip. A tooltip is a small pop-up box that appears over an element when a mouse pointer hovers over it. In this example, we have the word tooltip defined as a link element. When we hover our mouse over the word, a tooltip pop-up box appears. The tooltip has some text content inside of it. To create a tooltip, select or create any HTML element that you want to apply the tooltip to. In our example, we have a link element using the A tag. Next, we've applied the attribute data toggle and set it to tooltip. We've also created a data placement attribute and set it to top. The data placement attribute defines the position of the tooltip. We can set it to top, bottom, left, or right. Next, create a title attribute and insert the words that you would like displayed in your tooltip. In our case, we have the words insert tip. And so you can see that text inside the tooltip. If we change it, you can see it updates. We'll also go ahead and change the data placement, and you can see what that looks like. So that's bottom, left, and right. After that's complete, it's necessary to initialize the tooltip function with jQuery. To do so, add the following JavaScript to your HTML page before the closing body tag. This code block will enable all tooltips in the existing document.